In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and see TikTok videos you already watched, both on your iPhone and Android device. On your phone, navigate to your TikTok app. On the bottom right corner, proceed to click on your profile. On the top right corner, proceed to click on these three ellipses. Then proceed to click on Settings and Privacy. On this interface, you have to scroll down till you locate Comment and Watch History. Then you have the option to select Watch History or Comment History. In our case, we are interested in Watch History. Then proceed to click here. On this interface, we'll find all the videos we have already watched on TikTok. So if you want to clear any, you can just click on it, then proceed to delete, then continue to delete. And if you are interested in locating any of the video that you have watched already, you can scroll down to the past history, then locate any of the video that you want to watch. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button, share it to your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see more content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.